That's too dangerous, dude. That rock is icy. You'll literally slip it. Bro, you don't need to get the shot that bad. We're good. Dude, I can zoom in with my camera. Waterfall hikes. Not one of them is as scenic as this one in such a short time. This one is only 0.5 miles. Every single turn is just gorgeous.
Here we are out here at Moss Rock Falls. Cave right by Moss Falls.
You can't fit. Mace's muscles are too big. He can't fit. Goes in there too. That's too dangerous, dude. That rock is icy. You'll literally slip it. Bro, you don't need to get the shot that bad. We're good. Dude, I can zoom in with my camera. We don't need the shot that bad. Nice.
I didn't get through all three. They actually get underground water. Springs and seeps occur where underground water finds its way to the surface and emerges.
And what's cool about this time of year is that it freezes.
So there's an icicle cave up there. We're gonna see if we can get there. I doubt we can.
Here we have a seasonal landmark, Icicle Overhang.
Oh God!
Kind of makes me have to go pee.
Yeah, if you want to get to Icicle Overhang, it's really hard. Not only is it straight up, but there is not anywhere near a clear path upward. You're just gonna have to make your own path along the way.
So when you're crossing the bridge, to your left, you're gonna see Forking Falls.
So this is like the only incline or first incline of the trail, I guess.
All right, going up there we are.
So just off the main trail, you got Boulder Ridge. So you have to climb between the cracks and the two boulders to get up here. So in the late 1800s, trees from here fed a local sawmill in Helen, but over-harvesting led to messing up the forest, and that's where they established wildlife management, I should say. Falls. That a local Confederate soldier found the waterfalls while riding horseback in the area, and he gave the name to both falls, Anna Ruby, after his only daughter.